Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do we actually reorder our elements in a web page. For example, let's say this is our page design here where we have two rows or items, and in the first row I have the image first, then only the text, while the second row we have the text first, then only the image. However, if we were to show this or to view this screen or this page in a smaller screen, what happened would be I will see this image first, followed by this text, then next is this text again, and only we can see this image over here. So this would make things look not so nice. So in order to fix this, we have to show the image first, followed by the text. Then next is the image, then only back to the text when we view this on a small screen. I'm going to show you now in this tutorial on how do we do that using Bootstrap 4. So this is the part where I need to add in two rows to hold the content that I showed you on the screen just now. So I can start by creating the layout for holding those items or elements. So I will create a div, and this is another row. So I use the class called row, and within this row I will need to create two more columns, one for the image and one for the text. So I will repeat this one for the next row. Then after this I will fill in the content for these two rows and these columns over here. So to save time, I have actually get the code done on creating the content for the page, and this is how the page will look like now. So this is how the page look like now. I'm going to apply some Bootstrap classes which could be used to reorder this image over here to the right hand side and the text over here to the left hand side. And then when we view this page on a smaller screen, they go back to this order where it will show you the image first, followed by the text at the bottom. Next is this image again, and then followed by the text here. So here I'm going to apply the CSS styles that we could use to reorder our elements. So what do we do here? So what I need to do now is that I need to reorder this column, the second row, first column here, and the second column. I will reorder their position. So what happened now? For this image itself, I would like to show the image first before the text when I'm viewing this screen, this page over here on a smaller screen. So what I can do is that here I put order dash 0. Okay, the position here that start with 0 means that 0 is the first one to show, 1 is the next one to show. So here for this image over here, I would like to see the image first before the text on a smaller screen. So that's why I put in order dash 0. And then for the text itself, I would like to see it next. So after the image. So what I do is that over here I add in order dash 1. However, when I view this page on a larger screen, I would like to see the text first, then only the image. So what I should do is that for here, I'll put order dash md. So what I mean is that I would like to see the image at the last when I'm viewing this page on a medium screen onwards. So I put 1 over here, and then for this text part here, I will just put order dash md dash 0. So what it means is that when I'm viewing this page on a large screen, this part or this column over here will be shown right after this column, because the number here is 1 and the number here is 0. So 0 will get to display first, then only followed by 1. So let's see how the page look like. So this is how the page look like. When you view this on a larger screen, the text will come first for the second row and the image will come last. But when I view this on a smaller screen, the image will come first before the text. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.